Some predators need only one opportunity to end the hunt. But snakes possess countless different ways to bring down their prey. From extremely powerful venom, constricting muscles, to ambushes that are almost impossible to detect. Each species has its own strategy, and every attack is the result of millions of years of evolution to become more effective. Do not assume that a snake's hunt is always simple, because you are only beginning to discover it now. Gopher Snake versus Mussurana. The gopher snake is a non-venomous snake possessing many biological traits and highly effective hunting skills in North America.
They eat lots of rodents. Some kind of a spot where we don't want them, so we are going to try and move.
With a body length that can reach 2.4 meters, this snake's main weapon is not venom, but its ability to constrict prey with its powerful body. Another feature that allows the gopher snake to easily enter burrows is its hardened snout, which enables it to dig through soil and follow the tunnels of rodents.
Smart as the hunter.
The Muserana is one of the most remarkable snakes specialized in hunting venomous snakes in South America. With its glossy black body, this snake becomes the nemesis of many venomous species, thanks to its extremely high resistance to venom. Special substances in its blood help the Muserana reduce the effects of venom capable of destroying cells and tissue. They belong to the group of rear-fanged snakes. When attacking, it usually bites the head or neck to limit the opponent's ability to fight back. Its jaws can expand to 3 times the width of its body, allowing it to swallow prey of similar size whole. The gopher snake and the Muserana are both snakes capable of subduing prey with the strength of their bodies. But in a confrontation, their biological advantages are far from equal. When its head is restrained first, the gopher snake's chance of fighting back rapidly decreases. The Muserana will always have the advantage in every aspect. The Muserana does not need to kill its prey with a single fatal bite. Its advantage lies in its instinctive ability to handle long, slippery bodies that continue struggling. Indian Cobra vs. Rat. The mother rat must leave the burrow every night to find food for the young waiting inside. While she is foraging, an Indian cobra follows the scent and moves close to the entrance of the burrow. Although the mother rat only moves near the burrow entrance, the scent of the entire family can still spread outside and attract predators specialized in tracking trails. Realizing the danger, the mother rat deliberately appears to draw the snake's attention away from her young. Although much smaller, she continues running and maintains just enough distance to keep the predator following her. When there is no longer any escape route on land, the bandicoot rat is forced to plunge into the dark water. But the danger is not over. A school of catfish is also patrolling the area. The rat must cling to a small branch protruding above the water to avoid the approaching fish. The rat's ability to swim and maintain balance helps it temporarily create some distance. This invasive fish species can detect prey using barbels containing thousands of taste cells. They do not need to see clearly in the murky water to sense a creature struggling nearby. Not only catfish, other formidable predators also dominate this area. The pursuit only stops when the snake senses large creatures moving beneath the surface of the water. Gopher snake vs. rat. Among the rocky and arid terrain, a small rat is carefully searching for food without realizing that danger is approaching very closely. After detecting something unusual, the rat quickly hides inside a dark, rocky crevice. However, remaining still cannot help it escape the predator's tracking ability. Its attempt to flee quickly ends when the gopher snake lunges forward and coils tightly around the rat's body. The powerful constriction disrupts breathing and blood circulation, causing the prey to rapidly lose strength and then stop resisting completely. Spending most of its time hunting rats and other small animals, this snake plays an important role in controlling rodent populations. A predator's survival often depends on catching prey, and that is a natural part of the food chain. Python. Without using venom, large pythons can still dominate many tropical forests thanks to bodies weighing hundreds of kilograms and extremely powerful muscular systems. The python's main weapon lies in its dense muscle bundles and its ability to constrict prey with great precision. They use backward curving teeth to hold the target firmly, then quickly wrap several coils around the victim's chest. pressure from the coils interrupts blood flow to the brain, causing the prey to rapidly lose consciousness and become unable to resist within only a few minutes. We are witnessing a confrontation between two rock pythons, where either one can become the attacker or the victim. Without venom, this reptile's most important weapon is its powerful muscular system. They use the strength of their bodies to coil around and restrain the opponent. The weaker one begins to struggle for breath as its neck is tightly compressed. However, this constriction is not intended to break the rib cage. Continuous pressure reduces the amount of blood reaching the brain, causing the opponent to rapidly lose strength and fall unconscious. However, the confrontation is not over yet. When it notices that the opponent is no longer resisting, the stronger python begins to loosen its coils. A python's body can sense even the smallest movements of its prey, helping it adjust the pressure according to the level of resistance. This encounter may only be a territorial dispute or a test of strength rather than a fight intended to kill the opponent. Both still have a chance to leave and continue surviving in the wild. Malayan Krait versus Sunbeam snake. The Sunbeam snake and the Malayan Krait are two reptiles with completely different characteristics, but both inhabit dense and humid regions of Southeast Asia. The Sunbeam snake stands out with smooth, glossy scales that can reflect many colors like a rainbow when exposed to light. This snake is non-venomous, but possesses a strong body and often uses muscular strength to subdue prey. Meanwhile, the Malayan Krait has distinct black and white bands and possesses extremely dangerous neurotoxic venom. They are considered among the most terrifying venomous snakes in Southeast Asia. The Sunbeam snake relies on physical strength to fight back, while the Malayan Krait uses venom to rapidly deprive its opponent of the ability to move. The Malayan Krait possesses extremely powerful neurotoxic venom and often hunts other snakes for food. The opponent held in its bite is a sunbeam snake with iridescent, multicolored scales. Because it has no venom, the sunbeam snake can only use its powerful body to coil around the attacker and attempt to fight back. The Krait does not need to maintain the struggle for long. It holds on to the prey and injects venom into its body, gradually interrupting the signals between the nervous system and the muscles. Because its fangs are relatively short, this snake often maintains its bite for a long time to deliver more venom into the opponent's body. But the sunbeam snake uses its extremely slippery scales to escape the bite, then quickly slithers away before the venom causes it to completely lose the ability to move. What you have just watched shows that snakes do not rely only on venom or strength to hunt, but are also masters of patience, camouflage, and carefully calculated attacks executed with astonishing precision. Whether king cobras, rattlesnakes, pythons, or lesser-known snake species, all of them contribute to creating one of the most diverse and formidable groups of predators in nature. If you found this video fascinating, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to continue discovering more secrets of the wild world. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.